Web3, right? So on July 21, we are going to launch our new system dashboard, which is Web3. So there will be no human intervention on that, meaning during our withdrawal, you can withdraw anytime and there will be no limit on your withdrawal. As long as you have minimum $5 on your account, you can take it out. And then another 5 minutes, you another have $5 on your account, you can withdraw it. Okay? And then um our gaming will also become alive, right? And also our artificial intelligence tools is going to be live. Our AOS Connect is also live, and definitely it's not 100% running all the icons on the AOS Connect, but little by little it becomes perfect, right? And what else? A lot of different ecosystem will be live on July 21st, and I am very much confident to tell you that I have a or the AES Digital Incorporated has a proper agreement with the previous developers of Binance Philippines. All right, so the Binance Philippines, the developers of Binance is exactly the same developers of AEOS. Okay, so one thing is for sure, guys, whether you like it or not, whether they like it or not, AEOS will definitely becomes unstoppable. Unstoppable in such a way that we are dragging the market. We are not trying to compete with the market. We are not trying to become the number one on the market. No, because one day we will become the only one on the market. Remember what happened to Nokia or some other phone company before the keypad, right? Keypad. Way back 1990. The moment Apple came in, the smartphones, the market in the competition, they doesn't know what is really going to happen with them. They don't know how to compete with Apple. In short, Apple outplayed the market, the competition behind, below. And that's what we are going to do. You think we are just trying to compete with the market right now? No, we are going to outplay them. Because most of the company, once they establish their company, they are just an AI tools. They are just selling their AI. Some company they establish, they are just selling education. Some company they establish, they are just selling games. Some company they establish, they are just selling wallets, coins, token, more on hype. But we are far different from them. We have our own social media. We have our own Facebook with Zoom on it. We have our own e-commerce. We have our own AI. We have our own education platform. We have our own GameFi. We even have our own blockchain explorer on December. And that's on the contract with our developers. And our developers, again, is the former developers of Team Binance Philippines. And that's why I'm very excited right now to do this business together with Kingsley and all of you, every one of you. Forget those people who doesn't believe you. It's okay because this opportunity is not for everybody. Not for everybody. This opportunity are for those people who can definitely believe in the vision of the company. And one day you'll see. You'll see the difference of believing in the company. You guys are already successful, and those people who doesn't believe you, they are still there below the market. They are trying to figure out which company they are going to hold on to. You see the difference, huh? The only thing that can stop me right now is God. Beyond
Hey,
that, no one can stop me. No one
wow,
can stop me. No one.
wow.
So let's start. Let's start. Okay, let me share my screen. Thank you so much, Kingsy, for
I'm
bringing me
there.
these people. Yeah, perfect. Well, anyway, let me show you first our infrastructure. First is the AOS wallet. All right, so here in the Philippines, this is our wallet. This has a license coming from the Virtual Asset Service Provider or the Bangko Central of the Philippines. From here on our end, all right, what you guys are going to see is that the digital wallet wherein we can transact from the bank going to this digital wallet, and then once the money from the bank is already on the digital wallet, we can definitely exchange into any types of alternative coin or token. So all we have to do is to choose what type of alternative coin or token. So definitely AUS will also become part of this. No, and then um, we can also do spot trading on our wallet, no problem, right? And then we can also cash in, of course, send fund, and what else? If I click here on home, then I can also book a flight, which airlines I would like to, and then I can also book a hotel accommodation for you guys. For those African people who would like to come to Philippines, I will book your hotel here, which is five-star hotel, 3 nights, 4 days. You will stay here in the Philippines, right? And then it's gonna be on September 12th, right? September 12th. That's a very special day for all AOS because we are going to launch this wallet, and we are going to invite the media in the Philippines, all major media in the Philippines. It's gonna be a press conference. So yeah, from there, AOS is going to become unstoppable. And then what else? Let me show you another one, which is our exchanger. This exchanger will be launched probably December, right? Where you guys can do trading in the future trading, all right? And then, of course, this is our system dashboard that we are going to launch on July 21st, right? So this is your system dashboard. You don't need a PowerPoint because all of the presentations are already here. Okay. So yeah, this is very interesting because this one has no human intervention. It's on a blockchain explorer, which is on a smart contract Web3 system. And of course, we also have the decentralized wallet that we are going to launch when? That would be on July 21st. And this is what it looks like for your AOS Academy. So the master the future of AI, and of course all the modules in terms of how to become profitable a trader, you can definitely see it on here on the academy, right? So those are the infrastructures that we are going to launch this coming July. And regarding that, let's start with the presentations. So what is AOS literally? AOS, ladies and gentlemen, just focus on our goal. Our goal is very simple. We would like to be among the top 10 exchanger on the planet within the next 3 to 5 years from now. Again, no one can stop AOS except God. Beyond God, no one can stop us, right? Remember that. And this is the core organizational structure of AOS. We have the community builders headed by me. And then we have the system developers. Again, our system developers is the former Binance developers in the Philippines. And of course, our legal and compliance team, we have lawyers here in the Philippines. Most of them came from the Department of Justice here in the Philippines and the ombudsman. All right. And then we also have the in house trading division. wherein all the profits of the company is being traded by our crypto trader, and they are not just a usual crypto trader. We have the top one future crypto hedging in the Asia Pacific, and they are under our team, under the supervision of our CEO, Mr. Danny Aguilera from National Bureau of Investigation, Executive Trade. So yeah, and here we are. We have the license as a financial technology company here in the Philippines as AOS Digital Incorporated. Guys, after the launching July 21st, by August, I am now declaring to each and every one of you, we are going to establish one office in Lagos, in Nigeria. And I would like also to establish SEC with office, and we would like as well to have a virtual asset service provider license in Nigeria. Why? Because I want the Nigerian people to convert their fiat money into digital, which is crypto, and then vice versa, from crypto to fiat money. We will do it. We will do it. Right? It's a matter of time. One at a time, guys. One at a time. And here we are, the AOS ecosystem. So most company, they are trying to build only products, unique products. Most company, they are just trying to build services. But AOS is different. We are building infrastructure, complete, unified ecosystem. And what are those ecosystem? People around the globe, 95% doesn't know about crypto, doesn't know about artificial intelligence as of today. And they would like to engage in crypto space industry and artificial intelligence, but they doesn't know where to start. Guys, we have the blue ocean, and you know, all walks of life, they are our clients. 8 billion population on the planet. We have the educational platform. We have the AI tools. We have the exchanger. We have the GameFi. We have our own wallet. We have the merchant systems. And of course, the payment gateways. Our goal, again, be among the top 10 exchanger on the planet within the next 3 to 5 years. We are not trying to become the number one company on the planet. We are going to become the only one company in terms of MLM industry and blockchain. All right? Always remember that. Remember that we have AOS Connect. AOS Connect is exactly the same like Facebook. And Facebook gaining profit, 90% of the profit of Facebook came from a lot of different businesses. They are going to advertise their businesses on Facebook. And guess what? We have that. So soon, it's a matter of time. Once we have millions of community with AOS Connect, most giant companies are coming with us, and they would like to advertise their company to us. And guess what? You guys, being the pioneer in AOS Connect, your videos will automatically becomes viral, and the moment you monetize your fund, it's through the AOS coin. It's through the AOS coin. So the real game in AOS, no other than but holding at least minimum 10,000 AOS coin. If you are holding 10,000 AOS coin, 2 years from now, you are a millionaire. You are a millionaire. Why? Because our projection is minimum $100 is the price of the AOS coin couple of years from now. Meaning, if you are holding 10,000 AOS coin minimum, and then after a couple of years, the price will become $100, then definitely you have $1 million. What is 2 years? How many 2 years have gone through your life? Nothing happened. Now you try EOS. I will tell you, your life will change definitely. So you are here in EOS as pioneer to change the life of other people. Because you, as part of EOS right now, guys, congratulations. Your life is already different from other people. It's a matter of time. Just give yourself 2 years from now. Even if you don't recruit, it's okay. As long as you are holding 10,000 minimum EOS coin, you are already a millionaire. Remember, EOS coin has backed up by gold. And we are doing our best to monetize all this asset. For those people who doesn't believe you, it's okay. Leave them be. Let them become poor for the rest of their life. But you are destined to become a multimillionaire. You have to hold on to that. And here we are. We have the EOS token overview. And the total supply of our EOS coin is that we only have 1 billion total supply. And guess what? The team and founders of EOS, we have 24 months cliff and then gradual vesting over 5 years. Meaning within the next 24 months, all the team behind EOS and the founders, there's nothing we can do. Within the next 2 years, we cannot sell any EOS token. For the strategic investor, 6 months up to 24 months cliff, meaning within the next 6 months or 12 months, they cannot sell any EOS coin. All right? That's how we do the program of EOS coin. So, for this is the EOS coin tokenomics. Out of 1 billion total supply, 25% goes to the treasury as reserve and 24 months cliff, meaning for the next 24 months, we cannot sell anything from the treasury reserve. The community incentives, that's what we are using right now for the knowledge contract, for the strategic liquidity program, only 20%. And then for the ecosystem development, 10% is being released on that. And then the rest yearly, 5%, 5%, 5% every year. Strategic investor, 6 months cliff and up to 12 months cliff. And then the team and founders, again, we cannot sell anything for the next 2 years or 24 months. Liquidity and market making, only 5% is being released every 3 months for the liquidity and market making, because we need to market our EOS coin, our blockchain explorer, our exchanger, right? And then for the community growth, expanding global adoption, meaning in every continent, every country, we have allocated the fund of 5% from EOS coin to get all the licenses in each country. Now tell me which country you are. Just build your country and one day we will get the license of virtual asset service providers for you to convert your fiat money into crypto and vice versa. All right? For the advisors and partnerships, 5% goes to them. Okay, so that's how we planned this EOS coin. And guess what? Why am I so confident that couple of years from now, EOS coin will become $100 per coin? Because of this liquidity engine. The heart of EOS, a self-sustaining liquidity system, meaning 30% from the gaming profit monthly starting August. We are going to inject 30% from all types of gaming online. We are going to inject the profit on our EOS coin liquidity. All right? And once our system dashboard is up by July 21st, there is two types of signing up. The moment people are going to sign up on our system dashboard starting July 21, there is two types of signing up. Either you are going to become a fake compliant or full ecosystem access, meaning you can undergo with halal access. So for all those friends who are Muslims specifically, you guys cannot access the gaming, the lottery, or the gaming rebates or no gaming rewards at all. But for those people who can, who would like to become a full ecosystem access, no problem with that. But I would like to remind everyone, the moment you choose halal access, there's no going back. But if you choose full ecosystem access, you can still become halal access, right? So, here we are. How are we going to start become part of the AOS community? Be among the 1%, not be among on the 99%. The moment you become part as early as now of AOS, you are now belong to the 1% of the entire population global. How? I'm going to explain you tonight. Tonight, you won't be able to sleep thinking of selling anything to get more coin. All right. So, for the first 120 days, you will be paying $16.50. And this is good for 4 months. Subscription. What in it or what's the return of the $16.50? First, you will be getting $5 worth of AOS coin, plus you will be having the AOS system dashboard, the AOS AI automation tools or AI education program, and then the blockchain and digital asset education, right? And then after 4 months, you are going to renew your subscription $10 every 30 days. All right. Now, there is a unilevel bonus on it. Every time someone else are joining under your organization, you'll get unilevel bonus 0.30 each of them. So there is a qualification ladder on this. The moment you have one direct under your organization, you can have up to 5th level. The moment you have 2 directs, you can get up to 8th level deep. If you have 3 directs, you can have up to 11th level deep. And the moment you have 8 directs under your organization, you can have up to 20th level deep, right? Now, here is the simple explanation of that. You don't need to direct 8. All you have to do is to get 2. This is a perfect simulation with power of 2 directs. We are not a binary, but this simulation is just 2, and then you'll get will 2, and then the 2 will get 2 under them. All right, it's like this. For example, this is you, all right? For example, this is you. All you have to do is to create another account. That's going to be you, another you, another you. 4, 5, 6 account are all yours. And then all you have to do is to get the best strong leader. 1 and 2 strong leaders. And then these 2 strong leaders, they will get also 2 under them. Okay? And then these 4 strong leaders under your second level will get 2 by 2. Every week, that's our goal. Just get 2 under your organization every week. It's not hard thing to do. All you have to do is to find people who can put $16.50 to change their life. Now, the moment they tell you they doesn't have $16.50, how can they live their life? $16.50 they don't have. How can they live their life? There's no reason for them to change their life. All they have to do is to put $16.50 and bring two within a week. And guess what? Within the next 20 weeks, unconsciously, you already have 2,097,150 people under your organization. How long is that? 5 months to play. Within the next 5 months from now, you have 0.30 cent. You earn 0.30 cent each of these 2,097,150 people. And guess what? How much is the total earning? $629,000, 145. Now tell me, which one I explained to you is hard thing to do? $16.50. Get two people who would like to change their life. And guess what? On your 20th level, out of 1,048,000 people under your 20th level, duplication of two, you are earning not only 0.30 cent on your 20th level. There is $1 behind it. And what is that $1 for? That $1 is separated as a reserve fund for your reward and incentive. And what are those reward and incentive? The moment you have 1,000 members on your 20th level, guess what? You will be having Huawei MatePad Pro. And this is what makes me more exciting. I would like to give you, all of you guys, this Toyota Fortuner, fully paid, top of the line. Once you have 60,000 members on your 20th level. Not only that, I'm not yet done. I want you to have your own legacy. All of us are going to die in the future. But before we die, at least you have mansion. The moment you have 750,000 members on your 20th level, name a place, at least a prime location, and we are going to buy worth $650,000 for you. At least your family will stay there for the rest of their life. And that's what we call legacy. Dream big, build your own legacy. And guess what? Those 2,097,150 people, after 4 months, they are going to resubscribe again, amounting to $10. And all these peoples who are going to resubscribe $10, they will be getting $5 worth of AUS coin. And the remaining $5 goes through the unilevel bonus from first level down to 20th level deep, which means you are going to have a redundant unilevel bonus. If you have 2,097,000 members under your organization, then definitely every single 30 days, you are going to earn $524,000. $524,000 every single 30 days. Guess what? Let's say out of $524,000, let's deduct the $24,000. Where is this going? The $24,000. This will become the budget of your family. You have a huge family. The entire barangay or the entire city is your family. Your family becomes bigger now because you are already wealthy. Now this is the budget of your family, $24,000. How much can you save monthly? Your savings monthly, 6 months from now, is $500,000. Every month. Times 10 months, your savings is $5 million. And how much is the entry? $16.50. Crazy. I told you guys, we are not trying to become the best or the number one company on the planet. We are going to become the only one company on the planet. Mark my word. Most of their company, they will shut down because they cannot handle the pressure and the huge payout. But I will show you, AOS can definitely sustain the payout lifetime. Most company out there, they will present to you how much you are going to earn every day, every week, every month. But the real question here, for how long? For how long? I'll show you. AOS is totally different. The business model is totally different. Now, the moment you do the subscription, you are now entitled to become part of the 10% monthly rebates in AOS. Again, guys, for safe compliance framing, it is not an investment return. It is not even a passive income. This rebate is part of the program's internal educational credit structure. Why? All you have to do is to enroll if you wanted to learn further about crypto space industry, about blockchain, about decentralized finance, and if you want to learn how to do crypto trading, we can definitely guide you. And not only that, we can guide you how to become profitable trader. And while you are studying, while you are our student, we are giving you 10% monthly rebates coming from your tuition fee. No company ever did that. You are a student, coming from your tuition fee, whatever amount, we will give you 10% every month for the next 13 months. After 13 months, we are going to give back your tuition fee, but not through USDT, but through AUS Coin. For example, today you joined with professional trading track amounting to $2,000. Guess what? Let's take a look at the current price of AUS Coin live. Right? Let's go with CoinMarketCap. All right, so the live price right now of AUS Coin is 0.48 cent in dollar. Remember that we started the price of AUS Coin at 0.025. Right now, it's already 0.48 cent. Okay, now, it says here, the average AUS Coin conversion is $0.40 as of today up to July 20th. Because July 21st, remember this guys, starting July 21st, the moment we live the new system dashboard, the moment we live on July 21st, our gaming, AI tools, what else? AOS Connect, our decentralized exchanger, guys, the price of the coin will definitely soar with $1. The moment the price is $1, then if you want to join in the knowledge contract, definitely you will be getting 0.80 cent or $1 each coin. So yeah, if you manage to buy right now at a price of $2,000 divided to 0.40 cent per coin, then definitely you will be getting 5,000 AUS coin. After 13 months, we will give back your fund through AUS coin, which is 5,000 AUS coin. After 13 months, definitely the price of this coin is not less than $10. So times $10, guess what? You have now $50,000 13 months from now. So the real deal or the real game is not the 10% a month. It's about the price of the coin, which is minimum $10 13 months from now. Now tell me, if you put your fund $2,000 with those companies out there giving you 3% a day, 1% a day, can your $2,000 becomes $50,000 in the next 13 months? I doubt it. But I can guarantee you, your $2,000, 13 months from now, divided to 0.20 cent, I mean 0.40 cent, you will be getting 5,000 AOS coin. After 13 months, times, let's say, minimum $10 is the AOS coin. Guess what? You have $50,000. If the price of the AOS coin is just $10, what if the price of AOS coin is $20? Because the target price of AOS coin, at least December, it's already $10. December is just 6 months away from now. I doubt after 13 months, the price of the coin is just $10. Let's say your $2,000 divided 0.40 cent, you have 5,000 AOS coin. If the price 13 months from now is $20, so times $20, you have $100,000. Now tell me which company can withstand with us in terms of profit. No one. They are all scam. You join 1% daily with other company, it's okay. But every night you have to pray that one day, once you wake up, the system should always be there. Because no company can withstand 1% every day, all shut down. But AOS, 10% monthly, you can sleep very peacefully. And then after 13 months, you can live a life you deserve. That is AOS. Huh? Now you know. Okay. So, after that, we still have leadership bonus. Okay? If you have $200 sales volume under your organization, then definitely you can earn 5% coming from their daily profit. If you have $500, 10% from their daily profit goes to you up to level 7. Once you became level 7, at least you have $250,000 sales volume. You are going to enjoy 45% from their daily profit. Meaning, if you have reached the level 7, you are earning 45%. What if, since you are already earning, somebody put $100,000 on the knowledge contract and this person is your direct? How much is his monthly earning? Times 10%. He is earning $10,000 a month. From his own earning, 45% goes to you. So times 45%, guess what? You are earning $4,500 every month coming from your direct downlines fund. Now you tell me, which company can compete and withstand with AOS? Nothing. They are all scam. AOS is not a long-term company. AOS is a lifetime company. So always remember that. Put that in your own brain. And guess what? We have this AOS Strategic Liquidity Program. Let me enlighten every single person on this room right now. The current price of AOS coin is 0.48, but we are selling the current 0.40 per AOS coin. If you manage to buy minimum $2,000, guess what? From the base price of 0.40 cent, you will be getting 50% discount, which means you will be getting much more AOS coin. If you manage to buy $2,000 divided to 0.20 cent, you will be getting 10,000 AOS coin. Let's say after 2 years, the price of AOS coin is $100. So, times $100, guess what? you are now millionaire. You have a retirement pay of $1 million. What is 2 years? 2 years is very short. What date is it already today? It's July already. We started this company way back November 2025. Right? Now, moving forward, if you have 10,000 AOS coin, therefore, you will become part of this bronze merchant. So the name of the game as of today, honestly speaking, as the founder and creator of this company, I highly advise you have to become one of these merchant. Again, you need to become one of these merchant. Even if you become bronze, it's okay. If you become platinum, it's much more better. You are technically millionaire. Every month, you can earn millions of dollars. How? Let me show you. Look, it says here, all the global merchant profit pool starting January 2027. Out of all the total income from the gaming, 5% goes all through the merchant. Example, let's do the math. All right? Let's do the numbers because numbers will never lie. People are liars, but numbers will never lie. Right? Now, look, we have 171,000 members all throughout the globe. All right? Now, look, out of 170,000 members, let's say, only 75,000 can duplicate into 2 every month. Not every week, every month. Times 2 August, times 2 September, times 2 October, times 2 November, times 2 December, times 2 January. How many members do we have by January? 4.8 million. Out of 4.8 million, all of them will join the raffle draw. Only 3% joining the raffle draw. The 2 digits raffle draw. How much or what do we need to join in the raffle draw? You need to put only or to buy 50 cent worth of ticket. And then choose 1 to 45 numbers. Choose 2 numbers. The moment the 2 numbers won, then you can have a prize of $1,000. Not bad. Now, let's say times 3% only joining the raffle draw. That's 144,000 people. Out of 0.50 cent price of the ticket, 10 cent always goes to the company as profit. So times 0.10%, the company is earning $14,400 every 10 minutes because the raffle draw is every 10 minutes. So times 6 draw, in 1 hour, the company is earning $86,400. Times 24 hours, the company is earning 2 million every day dollars. Times 30 days. Guess what? The company can earn $62 million. Let's say, out of all the gaming, the company is earning $100 million on January. Okay? The company is earning $100 million minimum by January. Times 5%. This 5% from all the gamings goes to all the merchant. And what does it say on the merchant? If you are bronze, you guys are going to earn 10% out of the total 5%. How much again is the 5%? $5 million. Times 10%, this is $500,000 goes all through the merchant. So, divided, let's say, all of you are 200 bronze merchant global. Divided 200 bronze merchant. You guys are earning $2,500 starting January every month. And this is just minimum. Why minimum? Because on February, the numbers of community is doubled. March, the numbers will be doubled. April, another. So, how much is the price to become a bronze? $2,000. Go for strategic liquidity program. $2,000 divided 0.20 cent. You can buy the AUS coin at a price of 0.20 cent. You are going to hold $10,000 AUS coin. You are now a bronze merchant. Although you are not earning 10% every month from your $2,000, but starting January, you can earn $2,500 minimum every month. And guess what? You are still holding the 10,000 AUS coin. After 2 years, the price of AUS coin is $100. You have nicely have $1 million. $1 million is $1 million. What if you are platinum? If you are platinum, 40% goes to all the platinum. Meaning, out of the $5 million coming from all the gaming, if you are now platinum, times 40%, this $2 million goes all through the platinum. And guess what? Divided, let's say, you all have 25 platinum global, earning $80,000 starting January, every month, $80,000 minimum. Guys, I'm not asking anything in return, but my shoes is size 9. I am very much willing to receive a gift. You know? Don't forget about me. I'm done with the presentation. What else you would like to hear from me?
Good. Amazing, 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 guys. Wow. I told you, Sir Chris, I have to sell my kidney so that I can buy more AOS token.
Buy now. The
I
name
should
of the
buy.
game is to become a merchant. The name of the
Yeah.
game is to become a merchant. By the way,
Uh,
guys, one more thing. There is still one slot higher than platinum, and that is the diamond merchant. Would you like me to show you the diamond merchant? How
of course, share the
powerful.
partnership
Yes,
program.
please.
Share it.
Yes, please.
All right, let me show you the diamond rank. The diamond merchant is only 5 slots. Okay? First come, first serve. What does it mean to become a diamond merchant? It's called EOS Strategic Global Infrastructure Partnership. This diamond merchant has a proper contract coming from all the board of directors and legal in EOS Digital Incorporated Company. Okay? Now, how much is the diamond merchant? The diamond merchant is $100,000. Out of $100,000, okay, out of $100,000, divided to 0.20 cent per AUS coin, therefore you have 500,000 AUS coin on your wallet. And how much is the price of the AUS coin? As of today, it's times 0.48 cent. Therefore, what's on your hand is amounting to $240,000 already. That is the price of your success. And not only that, it's just for your cup of coffee. The real deal is this. Being a diamond merchant, you will be getting the chance to become the grand upline of the global community. Again, being the diamond rank, you will be getting the chance to become the grand upline of the global community. How? It works like this. For example, we are the management team. We have each account on it. Okay. Now, this diamond rank, you will be giving an account aligned through the management. So your account is earning 1% from the leadership bonus out of all the profit from our global community. Let's say the global community is here. Okay, all the top leaders started here down the line. And your account as Diamond Merchant is here. You are earning 1%. Let's say we have 4 million community global starting January. And all of them, they buy Edge package. At least minimum $30. How much is the total group sales profit? $120 million. Times 10%, this is the monthly profit of your group sales volume. $12 million. $12 million times 1%, definitely monthly you are earning $120,000 starting January. $120,000. And how much is the Diamond Merchant? $100,000. $100,000. How much is your potential monthly starting January? $100,000. All right? And not only that, it's just for a cup of coffee, the $120,000. The real deal is this. The real deal is this. Of all the online gaming profit of the company, 1% goes to the Diamond Merchant. 1% goes to the Diamond Merchant. Meaning, our estimate is not less than 100 million profit. $100 million profit on January on all types of gaming. And how much is the 1%? That's $1 million. You can earn $1 million starting January. This is minimum. Why? February, we doubled the numbers. March, doubled the numbers. And guess what? What about you don't have $100,000, but you have the contact person who can put $100,000? What in it for you? If this is you and this person put $100,000, okay? This person under your organization becomes a Diamond Merchant. What in it for you? 5% referral bonus, which is how much? 5% is $5,000. Automatically, we will be sending you this within the day. $5,000 plus your account will automatically become Gold Merchant. Gold Merchant. Your account automatically, you are now a Gold Merchant. What about your upline? Your upline will automatically become Silver Merchant. What about your third upline? Your third upline will become a Bronze Merchant. Crazy! Huh? I'm done.
Wow.
So,
Oh my God.
guys, just get one Diamond Merchant in Nigeria or in Africa. And guys, I want to put at least one Diamond Merchant in Nigeria, or specifically in Nigeria, yeah. Because why? Because 6 months from now, people will ask, how much is the top earners earning? If 6 months from now, there is a Diamond Merchant in Nigeria, this guy is earning $1 million a month. there's nothing for you guys to prove because the top earner in Nigeria definitely earning $1 million. Result is a result and no one can argue with the result. That's the bottom line in MLM. If after 6 months from now, no one is earning $1 million, no one is going to believe with EOS. I will reserve one diamond merchant for the team Nigeria. Deal. This is a team fight. This is a team fight. Remember, if you don't have $100,000, it's okay. You have contact, go for it. You will become gold merchant. How much is the earning of a gold merchant? Let's see. Look. The gold merchant, if the company is earning $100 million in the gaming, times 5%, this goes to all the merchant. And the gold rank, 30% goes to them. Times 30%, this will goes to the all gold merchant. Let's say, the gold merchant, all of you are 50 gold merchant. Divided to 50, how much you can earn every month? $30,000 minimum starting January. Earning $30,000, doing nothing, starting January. The moment you made a deal or close a deal of $100,000, please do yourself a favor. Do not make any network anymore. Because starting January, you are going to get $30,000 minimum. No restriction on your account. For the silver, you are earning $20,000 a month. For the bronze, you are earning $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So, all you have to do right now, very simple. Find a person who can put $100,000 and become the diamond merchant. That's it. And do yourself a favor. Just chill, relax, and make yourself healthy. Stay healthy. Because if you die, your family will benefit what your effort. I'm done, Kingsley. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Wow.
See
Ladies
you.
and gentlemen, can you appreciate the chairman and the founder of EOS with those love emojis? Let's show some love, guys. This is amazing time out with Sir Chris, the founder and chairman of EOS, and you are hearing him live and direct, and you can see the genuity from the way he speaks. All right. This is not a rubber stamp CEO or founder. No, this is Sir Chris. All right, and you're seeing live and direct. What else are you looking for? What else are you waiting for? You've heard it straight from the horse's mouth. Guys, EOS is something else. And I keep saying, many of us still do not understand the vision of EOS, because when you understand it, you do no other business. You think EOS every minute, every second, every hour. Sir Chris, thank you so much. We appreciate. Guys, every Saturday and Sunday, we are going to be having a special time with Sir Chris. So next week, Saturday, we are still going to hear him speak directly to the international communities. All you need to do is to crowd the house with a lot of people. Let them come and hear directly from the source. Sir Chris, thank you so much. All right. Mom Regina, what do you have to say? 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me stop the recording first so that it will not be too long, because this recording is going to go viral very